Okay, recently ChatGPT launched their ChatGPT Work, and in this video, I will just try to get it right now. Okay, so ChatGPT Work gathers context, plan the approach, and takes actions across your tools, files, and desktop apps to create polish spreadsheet, docs, and slides. And here you can see all of these stuff. And I think it's a better version to work with actually ChatGPT. Okay, so to test it, what you will have to do, you will have to download from here, or let me show you another thing. Here you can see get started with ChatGPT Work, and you can see the intro video. It's very engaging, and here you can see, so when you download the ChatGPT Work, you will have two versions. You can work with chat and work with the work sections. And here you can see when you use work, you can choose local and cloud works, and both here you can just create this type of amazing presentations for your piece. And here you can see your um, Excel file analysis for reports and schedule work. You can also do the schedule work and other stuff. We will just explore all of this stuff, but before that, let me download it. Okay, I will click here, then choose a destination. So for this actually app folder, and it will just download within a second. So we will wait until it's completed. Okay, it's downloaded, and now I will go to the project directory and install it on my machine. Okay, so I will double click it here, and let me just drag it to the application folders, and I think it's added within a few seconds. Done. Okay, so after then what you can do, you can just launch it from the app section. So this is ChatGPT icon, and if I just click here, then it will launch. You will see something like this type of interface. At first you need to log in to your ChatGPT accounts. So let me just resize it properly. Okay, so what you can do, if you have an already an account, you can log in to sign in, or you can just, if you don't have, just sign up. I have already an account, so I will click continue to sign in, and it will redirect to the space, and here I will choose my email accounts. So when you have done, so you will see something like this. I will open it, and now you can see this type amazing animations here. So it says, hey, personalized chat sections. You can just choose any of it. So I am just, let me log in as an student and suggest it. Okay, skip now. So go to chat gpt. Okay, and here you see, so apps found, Claude, co-work, skip for now, and you will have this type of interface right now. Okay, so now you can see this is the desired interface. You will have this section is for chat, and under this you will have work. Okay, when you will just choose to work, you have lots of options. You can choose your project, so you can go to any project directory and then add it to the projects. You can see, then you can just connect to plugin. If you need to create PDF, you can just select it. If you need to a spreadsheet, you can connect it, and here you have connect more options. You can see you can connect it to GitHub, Chrome, and linear other stuff. You can just browse all plugin and other stuff. Okay, so for example, today I will try to just get my uh, YouTube channel analysis. So here I will go to analysis, then advanced mode, and here I will just download the data for actually 365 days. Okay, so I will analyze my own year data, download it on SVG format. Okay, so I will choose this download folder, and now I will give ChatGPT to analyze this and just give me a report. Okay, so that's why I will just select the SVG file. So this is the file. I will let me, I need to extract it. Let me choose it. Okay, I will upload this gif and say analysis my on your YouTube analytics data and give me a report. Okay, give me a report. And now if I just click this here, you can choose the mode, and you can just by default it's selecting 3.6 tera. Okay, if I click here, look, now here it's just I examine the exported analytics and all of this stuff. So it's proceeding right now, thinking and do all the stuff and give me a report as I think. Okay, you can see it takes actually 2 minutes 44 seconds, and here is my report. Let me open it. It analyzes my channel and give a detailed report with actually tabular format, you can see. So the views I got, and here is the analysis which video get the more views, and also shows the amount I earned from YouTube from that video, and the recommended content plan for the next 60 days. And here you can see all of this stuff. So it give me proper format of the output. Now I think it's working, and you can try this chat mode or work mode and let me know which one is more efficient for you. Okay, so it's very common, and I think when you work with the work mode you will have more flexibility and you have lots of options to work with. Okay, so thank you for this video.